Hello and welcome back to my page. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing number 6. I have a big parcel from close to my heart, and I thought I'd do it live and then post it on my YouTube channel so my followers get the look first, and then anyone else that's going to search will get it. Alright then, so I'm going to try and open the box without knocking the camera off. Okay, so what did I get this time is the Tri-Blend marker in True Blue. I got that. And I also got it in Gold Yellow. So I got that one. Also got it in the Aqua Blue blend. These are the colours I don't have. There is many more that I don't have. You get some bubbles, which we don't need. You also get your packing slip, which you don't need to see that. It's just everything that I received. I got some inks. I got grape, avocado. So I got grape, avocado, Sundance, papaya, desert rose, and sage. All the new colours. Well, they're not new colours too close to my heart. They are new colours to me that I don't have in my collection. And some of the projects that I need to do need these colours. So I got six stamp inks. I got a tabs thin cut, which is Z6524. Hopefully that's clear enough. So I got that. I also got a stamp bundle, which is called the Baker's Dozen, which is a Reward Your Way benefit. I'll just get them all out and show you them. You've got the eggs. You've got the oven mitt. I think these are cute. So cute. And as I do a lot of baking, and I thought they'd be good for my pages. Bake a wish. Life is short. Lick the bowl. We have a cake. Okay, move them to the side so I don't drop them. We have a stand mixer, a mixing bowl. We have those. We have a rolling pin, a cookie sheet, a piping bag. You bake the world a better place, and the secret ingredient is always love. So that is a little collection. What have we got? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Of course, duh. 12 Baker's Dozen. That's what the name of the set is called. For some reason I had to count them. So that's them. They are, I think they're M stamps. And the other thing I got in the, I'll just pop that over there. I got a My Legacy 12x12 album in the colour teal, which is Z6524. Hi Vicky. Just a little side note on these. These are going up in price, I think, in September. So if you are looking for an album, this one is a 12 by 12. Let me know, and if you want to know the price now versus later, like coming in September, let me know and I will let you know. There is a bit of a price difference for the Aussie dollar. So, alright, so that's everything that I got in my order. So we got the album, the Baker's Dozen, all the little stampies. The bag. I got 3 of the tri-blend markers to go with my collection, which is, where is it? Oh, it's down there. There they are. So these some of the colours I don't have. And then I got the thin cut tabs and 6 of the there 6 colours for stamps, the stamp inks. Alright then guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you on another live. I am going to try and do more lives on this page and then transfer them over to YouTube, see how that goes. If it doesn't work, I'll just work out another way. Alright then guys, catch you later on another video, live, post, whatever. Alright, bye.